Hey there everyone, it's Valor here. Today I'm going to show you how to update Roblox on your laptop. To do this, we'll need to head to Start, then Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps, and type in Roblox. There you go. Click on the three dots next to Roblox Player and hit Delete. Got it. Uninstall it if you can. I don't need to because it's already been removed. Alright then. Next, open your browser and go to the Roblox website. Okay? Pick the game you want and click Play. Sweet, then click Cancel. Now, hit Download. Alright, open the launcher. Good to go. The update will begin and then you'll be able to play. That's it. This was Valor with you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Twitter, links in my profile. That's where you can ask me questions. See you all later.